Who cares what they think? Seriously though, who gives a fuck what they think? Too many of us hold ourselves back, shrink or play safe because we're afraid of other people's opinions. The truth is, other people's opinions don't define you. They are a reflection of those people's shortcomings, insecurities, and dead dreams. What if the comfort zone you're sitting in right now is an excuse for you not to step in the direction you know you need to step into? What if you're using other people's opinions as an excuse not to move? Let me tell you something. That comfort zone is a cage you build around your life. And when you stay small to avoid judgment, you are living someone else's idea of your life and not yours. Whenever you feel like you can't handle judgment, know that whatever those people are telling you is a reflection of what's going on inside of them. It's a reflection of what they feel they're lacking. Judgments can kill you. They can only make you stronger because you know you're doing the right thing. If you do everything to please people, to be friends with people, for everybody to like you, that means you're doing people pleasing. But if you're doing something that's controversial, that means you're on the right path. And not only that, playing small is a form of self-sabotage, something I used to be guilty of. Because you're dimming your light to prevent discomfort in other people, while you know damn well you deserve the full stage. The thing is, fear of judgment kills creativity. Your creative spirit and your creative energy can only flow if you're not afraid of what other people think of the art you're creating. And art can be shown in different ways, of course, like content creation, actual art such as a painting, making music, singing, performing, whatever. You know, real growth happens when you're willing to risk it all, when you're willing to look like a fool, when you're willing to be laughed at until it's not funny anymore because you've achieved the goal you had in mind. It's important to remember, especially when the times get tough, that the only approval you truly need is your own. You have to believe in your vision, no matter what people say, no matter what the circumstances are. Because when you validate yourself first, the noise of everything around you and people around you, especially the haters around you, they actually lose power over your choices. If you guys know Kanye West, and I'm pretty sure everybody does, this man sounded delusional, praising himself up, telling people he's the best rapper, he's so successful, he's a millionaire, billionaire, whatever. Look at him now. He was speaking life into himself. He didn't care what people thought about him because he knew what he was capable of and he believed in himself so much that he is where he is today. I want you to have that level of delusion. By the way, I'm not saying that Kanye West is not talented, but all I'm saying is look at how convinced he was of his own capability. Your fullest potential can only emerge when you stop caring what other people think. And to end this video, I want to say embrace your uniqueness and watch how your life transforms. Anyway, if you made it this far, thank you. Thank you for your time. I hope this video sparks something in you. Go after your dreams, man. Go after your goals. Start that YouTube channel. Write that book. Work on the digital product. Life can be over before you know it. So keep that in mind whenever you feel like you need to procrastinate. We only have today. Alright, if you made it this far, thank you. And as usual, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.